Hi, friends! Look at our beautiful magical garden. The flowers are blooming, the butterflies are flying, and look, the magic rainbow is shining brightly in the sky. Look carefully, the magic rainbow is losing its colors. Without its beautiful garden is becoming gray. Don't worry, we'll bring every color back home. Let's begin our magical adventure. Look, I found a beautiful red apple. Something magical is glowing inside it. Wow! Look! The red color is flying back to the rainbow. The first color is back. Great job! Let's keep looking. Oh, I found a bright orange. Something magical is glowing inside it. I think we found the orange color. Wow! Look! The orange color is flying back to the rainbow. The second color is back. Great job! Let's keep going. Wow! Look at this beautiful sunflower. Something magical is glowing inside it. Wow! Look! The yellow color is flying back to the rainbow. The third color is back. Fantastic! Keep searching. Wow! Look at this fresh green leaf. Something magical is glowing inside it. I think we found the green color. Wow! Look! The green color is flying back to the rainbow. The fourth color is back. Amazing! Let's keep looking. Oh, wow! Look at this beautiful blue butterfly. Its wings are shining with blue magic. I think we found the blue color. Wow, look! The blue color is flying back to the rainbow. The fifth color is back. We're almost done. Let's find our very last color. Wow! Look at these juicy purple grapes. Tiny purple sparkles are twinkling on them. The purple color is flying back to the rainbow. The last color is back. Hooray! We did it!